The all-new floor plan by Forest River Shockwave, the 2024 2710 RLX, and there's something I just didn't like about this fifth wheel. Make sure that you watch the entire video and let me know if you agree. Now it has two awnings, no slide outs, big power awning, generator, two ACs, stabilizers, great looking unit. Small, lightweight, weighs under 9,500 pounds, great kitchen counter space, lots of cabinets and storage, 77 inches of width from cabinet to wall, and 15 feet 7 inches of cargo. So all of your 4-seat side-by-sides, your CanAm X3, and the brand new RZR that came out this year fit inside of this toy hauler. You're going to get a kick out of all of the storage. So far so good, but I found something I really don't like. Maybe I'm just being picky, but watch this. This is a cool concept. Push, it locks, right? But look, it opens right back up. I mean, you can just see this swinging open as you're going down the road. What a bad design. Watch this. Down the road, oops. So in prep, when my technicians go through it, we're going to have to figure out a way to keep those from flying open like that. Please let me know in the comments section whether you agree with me on this or not. I know they're trying to cut costs down to try to make things more affordable, but really, can you at least do this? I mean, put some kind of light. This is why I love Genesis so much, is because at least you get one light on either side. I mean, look how dark it is in this area with no light at all, but at least you get the patio kit, right? Now going up into the bathroom, it does have a shower, toilet, but it looks a little compact. Standing in the bathroom, you can feel how small it is. But keep in mind, when you're trying to keep a fifth wheel under 30 feet and have enough cargo for a CanAm X3 or a RZR 1000, something's going to be small. This was impressive. Walk around queen bed, and for not having a slide out, it had a ton of walk around space. Big wardrobe closets, but I noticed there was no hanging rod in either wardrobe closet. That was a little interesting. Overall, not bad. Not close to my favorite, but a lot of good things. Good counter space, weight and size are good. The cargo area is perfect for all the 4-seat side-by-sides, but that cabinet issue bothers me. We as a dealership and a service department are going to have to figure out how to remedy that, because I can just foresee you putting pots, pans, all kinds of goodies, and they just all fall out while you're going down the road because they didn't lock in place. So anyway, great news. Right there is another fifth wheel toy hauler review that I really think you're going to enjoy.